All right, here's a good question. It says the formula t equals 2 pi square root L over 32 can be used to find the period t in seconds. What is the length of a pendulum? So it looks like they're looking for L. They want L. That has a period. Period is t. So the 3.6 gets plugged in right there. And use 3.14 for pi. Okay. So my formula, t equals 2 pi square root L over 32. So let's put in our 3.6 for t. So 3.6 equals 2 pi times the square root of L over 32. So I need to isolate the square root of L over 32. So I need to get rid of this 2 pi here. So to get rid of the 2 pi, I'm going to divide this side by 2 pi. If I do that, I'll have to divide this side by 2 pi. So on the left side, calculator, if I can get it, was it 3.6 divide 2 times pi? If pi is 3.4, that'd be 6.28. So that's 0.573 about equals the square root of L over 32. Now I need to solve for L, but I need to get at it. So let's first get rid of that square root sign. So let's square this side and square this side. So if I take that number and square it, I get 0.329, call it, equals L over 32. And then to get L by itself, I'll take and multiply both sides by 32. So I take the answer that I just got, the 0.3286, whatever, times it by 32. So that gives me a length of 10.5156 something, and they say round to the nearest hundredth. So my length would be 10.52. All right, hopefully that helps you with that one.